What is VRBO and how does it work? So, VRBO is a vacation rental platform where travelers can book entire homes, condos, and cabins, and also beach house directly from the property owners. It is similar to Airbnb, but only offers entire properties, meaning no share space with hosts. Now, how does it work? For travelers booking a stay, search for a rental, which is to visit the VRBO.com or use the VRBO apps and enter your destination, date, and numbers of guests. Then you can also filter the listings. So use the filters for price, amenities, properties types, pet friendly stays, and more. And also you can read reviews and policy. So check past guest reviews, cancellation policy, and fee. You can also pay through a VRBO platform using a credit card or a PayPal. Some properties allow instant booking while others need host approval. And also you can check in and enjoy. So for that, host provide check in details, and you will have the whole properties to yourself. And here are the tips about VRBO. Many VRBO rentals have lower fee than hotels for longer stays. So this might be a better option for you if you're travelers and you probably need a stay with a properties, and that's good.